If you control something, that means that you decide what happens. If you are in control of something, that means that you can control it, or you are controlling it. If something is under control, that means that someone is controlling it, or it is being controlled. If something is out of control, that means that it is not under control, or no one is controlling it. If you take control of something, that means that you begin controlling it. If you lose control of something, that means that you fail to keep it under control. And if you put someone in control, that means that you give them the power to control something. Today we are going to look at these in more detail with some examples. So first, let's start with the verb, control. And again, it basically means to decide what happens. You use a remote to control your TV. With the remote, you can choose a channel to watch and you can adjust the volume. You use a steering wheel to control your car. With the steering wheel, you decide whether to turn left, turn right, or go straight. Some people cannot control their anger. When they get angry, they do things that they know they should not do. Again, if you are in control of something, it means that you can control it, or you are controlling it. Julia likes to be in control. She likes to tell other people what to do. She doesn't like it when other people tell her what to do. And when we have an object, we add the word of. I want to be in control of my life. This means that I want to have freedom. I want to be the person who decides what happens in my life. We are in control of the situation. This means that we are managing the situation successfully. We are not experiencing any big problems. Or we could say that the situation is under control. The person or thing that controls something successfully is in control, but the person or thing that they are controlling is under control. Here are some examples that might be useful in your daily life. Don't worry, everything is under control. There was a problem, but we have everything under control now. Do you have everything under control? And again, if something is out of control, that means that it is not under control. It is doing whatever it wants to do. No one is controlling it. Her new puppy is out of control. It does whatever it wants, and she cannot control it. The situation is getting out of control. It's getting worse every day, and soon we will not be able to do anything about it. Your children are completely out of control. You need to discipline them. And if something is out of control or being controlled by another person, you can try to take control of it. For example, I need you to take control of this situation before it gets worse. Our team was losing, but we managed to take control in the second half of the game. Or the military used its power to take control of the government. And again, to lose control means that you fail to keep something under control. He drove too fast, lost control of his car, and got in an accident. Drug addiction can cause you to lose control of your life. She lost control of her anger and said things that she shouldn't have said. And finally, when we give someone the power to control something, again, that is called putting someone in control, or sometimes leaving someone in control. Your boss might announce that they are putting someone in control of the department while your boss is on vacation. That basically means that that person will be the boss until your boss returns from vacation. And again, we could also say that your boss left that person in control. Or if your boss wants to give you more responsibility, they might say something like, I'm putting you in control of this project. So yeah, that's how we use those. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thank you for watching.